Using a 24mm socket, you want to take this cap off. Slide it out. Take the old filter off. You want to replace the O-ring. You can just slide the O-ring like that. Grab the O-ring, slide it off. Take the new O-ring. You want to make sure you slide it in that groove, not the groove above it, but the one closer to the lip. Take the new cartridge, line it up. You can put a little bit of oil on the O-ring just to lubricate it. That's good. Now you can reinstall this in the vehicle. Now you can line that up, get that started. And gently tighten this down. And we can torque that to 18 foot-pounds. That's good. Use a 17mm wrench. Loosen up the drain plug. You want to make sure you have a drain bucket underneath to catch the oil. And drain the oil. On the drain plug, you want to take the old seal off. You can get under there with a pocket screwdriver. Take that off, get a new one, put the new one on. Then you can put the drain plug up. Just wipe away any debris and put the drain plug up. Get that started. Then you want to torque the drain plug to 10 foot-pounds. That's good. Now you can remove the oil cap. It should say what type of oil to use. For ours, it's going to be 530. Just use a funnel. Using the appropriate 530 oil. For this vehicle, we're going to add 4.2 quarts of oil. Now start the engine. We'll let it run for about 15 seconds. And shut it down. Now grab the dipstick, pull it out, wipe it off with a rag, reinsert the dipstick, wait for 3 seconds, pull it out again, and just double check. Make sure it's in between those two hash marks, preferably closer to the top. looks good. Perfect.